Go.
We got Squeeze Bob.
Don't know why.
Because you're cute. Because you are perfect. Look at that. With the little bosom. So you're perfect. Can't get better than that one. Legacy Hollow. Terry Hollow. You know, I get the Jack number to 99. Rosie. Holiday. Easter, Rainier. Hello. Hello, Station.
That's Cam.
Hello, Cam Station.
Why is he not numbered?
And a Rosie, because he's saying he had Station.
Why is that?
Because he needs creation.
I was supposed to be off on Easter. Now I gotta work on Easter.
Maggie, Wendy, Squad, Gregory Hollow, Bernice Hollow.
I don't remember that one. Come on, traffic go.
Stacy, Holly, and now Archie Hollow, face shaped like the station. Oh, the Hollow Station.
Halloween one looks shiny.
And the purple tank, nothing numbered yet.
Nothing. I guarantee one number.
Yeah, you should get one numbered at least, I think. They didn't add any of the bigger ones left. Oh gosh. Got the Coslin and the Priscilla. Wildlife Squad. Rocky Hollow. The Sabrina Station Hollow. My last pack Magic.
I haven't seen a dragon in that set.
Right, this one's gotta have the numbered station. Tinted.
Yeah, black 101.
Orin. Easter. Chill. Hedgehog. No number?
No number unless you missed it.
Let's see if I missed the station. The number's on the back.
Yeah.
Let's see if we missed the number. Didn't get no orange parallel one station. I numbered one.
Not one number card, that's wild. Doesn't say it comes to one. No,
Look for the
says
orange
look
pulsar
for it.
black sword. I like the big box because it comes with like 3 of them.